Oh, maambon. We're here. Yan tayo guys, joining. Ito na ang Rapido. Hi Rapido. Ang panibagong tirahan for 3 months and onwards.
All these dried up bones are running wild on this old night. Sitting by the traffic lights, don't know. I don't know where I should go. I once called this home. Same old rusty fence and cracks and dents, puddles in the pavement. Yet I don't
Sasagwan ka dyan ah!
know which way
Kamay sa vlog!
endless night.
Dito kami ngayon guys sa ano Itagway, Brazil, Anchorage. Nagka-cargo hold cleaning kami, may mga shoregang dito na umakyat. Ayan. Sila yung naglilinis ng mga cargo hold. High pressure, gamit mga high pressure lines. Yun lang, March 31, 2024. That's now guys.
Open wounds that just don't feel quite